Hello world and welcome back to the Razor RC and another episode of Send It Sundays. In this series we take a different truck to a different location and just send it, drive it until it breaks, try to find the biggest jumps and biggest ramps we can find, do as many backflips in the air as we can, and see how the trucks hold up. So in this episode we got the Redcat Kaiju. I've had this, I don't know, for close to a year now, no, 6 months or so. Been running this, doing some tuning and stuff. We'll be doing a little upgrade video talking about some of the weaknesses and how to address those. But yeah, this thing held up pretty well. Was running it on 4S and 6S. Went out to a little location by a dog park and they had a giant wooden ramp set up there. It's probably like, I don't know, 8 feet high or something like that. And we're just sending it. On 4S, it did not quite have enough power to like clear the entire jump, so you'll see me smash this front end into, you know, the side of the walkway there a few times. So driving was not the best, but certainly really fun. On 6S, this thing is a beast. Definitely gets a lot of air, a lot of power, and yeah, ran really well. So it was a lot of fun. Did break a few things. First off, you can see I do not have a bumper anymore on the front end, so the front bumper lasted a while. It was already kind of going by the time I was running it today, and so I was not really surprised at all that it broke. Also broke this little skid plate here on the bottom, so we'll need to fix that. And then the one breakage that put me out of commission is I did break one of these upper arms. So these are the V2 upper arm, I guess rod ends you would call them. They are beefed up a bit. They did add more material here in the middle, but it still snapped on me. So I'm actually running Techno linkages here. They're a little bit beefier than like the stock little skinny Redcat one. So those are holding up, but yeah, the rod ends can still break, and I did have to replace that. But other than that, this thing ran really nice. Some funny things. It does seem to run a little bit hotter on 4S than 6S. Not really sure if that's just because I didn't have as much runtime on the 6S. But yeah, 6S actually runs pretty good. Not too bad in terms of heat. So yeah, enjoy this running footage. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching. I gotta watch people before I send it. Yeah.
I mean, I guess you don't make it all the way through.
Yeah. Ah, messed up. Oh. That's
Oh, dang. Oh, I saved it. Oh, I saved it. Oh, yeah. That was awesome.
Yeah. I'm going 6S now, so.
No, on 6S?
Yeah, I'm on 6S.
I was gonna say, like, what is this?
Yeah, why does they got 50% more power?
I don't know if I'm going for that yet. Maybe at the end, but.
Get a little more.
Nice.
Oh.
Saved it.
So didn't pay enough attention. Oops, sorry. Oh shit! Saved it!
Pin!
What the hell? Cartwheel up the ramp.
Dang, there's like so much torque in this.
Double. Double.
Oh man.
This thing got so much crazy power.
Finish him.
See that left wheel? Just like the left wheel went left. Whoops. I think I. Well, yeah, I did lose the wheel in the air somehow.
Fatality.
Oh, that broke again. There you go, rod end broke. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.